surface area and volumes. In this, we have first discussed about cuboid, first figure. Second figure is cube. These two, I gave all the related formulas and we completed the first exercise. Next, we discussed about cylinder. Cylinder formulas also I gave, we completed the second exercise. Now, in the last class, I gave the formula for cone. Cone curved surface area. Curved surface area is also called lateral surface area. Lateral surface area or curved surface area, same. So that is pi RL. Total surface area is pi RL plus pi R square or pi R into L plus R. Third formula is volume of the cone, 1 by 3 pi R square. Three formulas I gave. So based on that, we are doing some problems in this 10.3 exercise. Yesterday we completed the first problem, students. Now read the second question. Volume of a cone is 462 meter cube. Its base radius is 7. Given. Base radius is 7. R is equal to 7. R is equal to 7. Figure is not necessary, just only for because we are doing a cone problem, so just I have drawn the figure. This is the H, this is the slant height, this is the radius. These are the dimensions of the cone. See, R is equal to 7. Don't draw the diagram. Diagram is not necessary for this. Base radius is 7 meter. 7 meters. And volume is equal to 462. 462. Volume is equal to 462. Volume is equal to 462. What is the volume of the cone formula? 1 by 3 pi R square. See the formulas for volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Volume of cone formula I gave. 1 by 3 pi R square H. 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 whole square into H is equal to 462. This volume is equal to 462 is given in the problem. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 square H. H we have to find. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 square is 7 into 7 is H is equal to 462. 1 7 we can cancel. Take everything to the right side. H is equal to 462. 3 will go up into 3. 3 will go up. 22 will be in the denominator. 7 will be also in the denominator. 7 will come down, 22 will come down, 7 will come down, this adding the denominator will go up. That's all. Do the simplification, that is your H value. Volume of direct formula, I am just substituting the values, that's all, nothing else. (462 into 3 by 22 into 7). 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. 22 3 are 66. 3 3 are 9 answer. That's all, students. 9. Students, after this, read the third question. Read the third question. Curved surface area of the cone is 308 and slant height given L is equal to 14 centimeters. Curved surface area is equal to 308. L is equal to 14. L is equal to 14, curved surface area is 308. That's all. These two values are given. And we are asked some questions in this. Height is equal to 14. Curved surface area is 308. L is equal to, slant height is equal to 14. Slant height symbol L. This is the slant height, this is the height. Height is different, slant height is different. If it is inclined, this is slant. It is slant, no? Slant height. This is actual height. So slant height is given as 14 and curved surface area is 308. Now, curved surface area formula. See the formulas list. Curved surface area formula pi RL. See the formulas list. Curved surface area is equal to pi RL is equal to 308. Curved surface area of the cone, lateral surface or curved surface, both are same. The formula for curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7. R is R only, we don't know. L is 14. 308. 7 2s are 14. 22 into R into 7 2s are. So we require R value 308 by 22 in the denominator, 2 also in the denominator. That's all. First question we have to find the radius. So radius is this. We are doing first question, say for example. First question we are asked to find the radius of the base. R is asked, so we are getting R. How? Curved surface area formula pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7. R is R only. L is 14. So 7 2s are 14. 2 will be in the denominator. 22 will be in the denominator. Do it, friends. Cancel with 11 table. 11 2s are 11 8s are 11 to 7 finally. Seven. Do it. And we have second question also in this. Total surface area formula. Total surface area pi RL plus pi R square or pi R into R plus L. I have this formula. Substitute. This is the formula. Do it, students. 22 by 7. R is just now we got 7 into 7 plus 14. Total surface area pi R into R plus R. R plus L. Seven cancel. This is in centimeters, means area will be in centimeters square. Just practicing the formulas. Curved surface area formula I gave pi RL, and total surface area formula also I gave pi RL into pi R into R plus R, pi RL plus pi R square. After this, read the sixth question. All of you read and understand the sixth question. Students, you just read the sixth question, what are all given and what is asked. So, given height of the tent. Tent is in the form of a cone. So, height of the tent is 9 meters. Height of the tent. Tent is like that, conical shape. Generally, big tent will be like that only. We have two types of tents. One is rectangular tent, one is a conical tent. So, the problem is here conical tent. Height is 9 meters. Base diameter. Base diameter is 24 meters. These two are given. Height is 9 meters, base diameter is 24 meters. What is the slant height? Find the cost of canvas cloth required if it costs rupees 14 per square meters. Students, height is 9, but in our formulas we don't use diameter, we use radius only. In all our formulas we use the radius. So radius is how much? Half of this. 24 by 2. Diameter, half of the diameter is radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Diameter 24 means radius is by 2, that is 12. Now, H is given, indirectly R is given. Diameter is given means by 2 means radius is given. So R and H are given. What is the question? What is the slant height? Students, slant height. What is the slant height? L. L we have to find. We are asked to find slant height. L is equal to, I gave the formula. See the formula, students. L is equal to root of R square plus H square. This is called Pythagoras Theorem, and you will get it in the geometry. Even you will get in 10th class also, 9th and 10th. Geometry, this is the Pythagoras Theorem. This is one formula proposed by Pythagoras. So L is equal to root of R square plus H square. So L is equal to root of R square plus S square. This is the formula. I gave this formula, first formula. See the formula and apply it and get the L value. That's all. R is 12. H is 9. One 44. 81 do it. Total how much, students? 144 plus 81 is how much? 225. Do you know the square root of 225? Can you find the square root of 225? You know how to find the square root, you studied in the lower classes. 225 is 15 into 15. 225 is 15 into 15. Answer is 15. Slant height is asked. We got it. Slant height formula, root of r square plus s square. R is 12. H is 9. Simplification 225. Root 225 is 15. Second question. Find the cost of canvas cloth required if it costs 14 rupees per hour. See, what is the cost of this tent? Suppose if you are making this tent. How to make this tent? Using the cloth. There is a cloth cost. Cloth cost is given something. The rate that is 14 rupees per meter, square meter. 14 rupees per meter. We generally use, when we go for the purchasing the cloth, we say meter only, but actual word is square meter. But we give 2 meters cloth, 3 meters cloth, like that we tell. So 14 rupees per square meter rate. So now we have to find how much cloth is required for this tent. Suppose if this is the tent of height 9 and radius of the base 12. If this is the tent is in the shape of a cone. How much cloth is required to make this tent? How much cloth is required to make this tent means nothing but curved surface area. Base we are not using any. It is not given that we are using the base some cloth like that. Tent means only we consider the lateral surface only. Base we don't consider. So tent means only all sides. All sides. That means curved surface area. So whatever the curved surface area of is there, that much cloth we require. So how much cloth is required to make this tent? That is curved surface area. The amount of cloth required to make this tent, to prepare this tent, is nothing but curved surface area. Total curved surface area. If you add the base area, then it becomes total surface area. But base we are not adding, because tent means only like this, not base. So what is the curved surface area formula? Pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 12. L is 15. Curved surface area formula pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 12. L is 15. This much. Let us simplify afterwards. This is the amount of cloth required. So meter square. Cost of the cloth. What is the cost? 14 rupees per square meters. Cloth cost is 14 rupees per square meter. How much cloth we are purchasing to make this tent? This much amount of cloth we are purchasing. I have not simplified. I will simplify in the last. So this is our cloth. This much cloth we are purchasing. So for 1 meter, 14 rupees. For these many meters, how much cloth? How much cost? So therefore, cost of the cloth for tent. To make the tent, total how much cost we are incurring? How much area of the how much cloth we require? 22 by 7 into 12 into 15. This much cloth we are purchasing. What is the rate? Rate is 14 rupees per meter into 14. 1 meter 14 rupees. 2 meters 14 into 2. 3 meters 14 into 3. 4 meters 14 into 4. How many meters we are purchasing? These many meters. So into 14. Simplify, students. Do it. 7 1s are 7 2s are 215 are 30, 360. Do it. Do the simplification. Multiply and that is your answer. That is the cost of the cloth required to make the tent. 7 2s are 14, 2 15s are 30, 30 into 12 is 360, 360 into 22 is 720, this is 0, 2, 9, 7. Seven nine two zero. In these asked root of r square plus h square formula, we got 15. Curved surface area formula pi rl. Pi is 22/7, r is 12, l we got just now got. This is the value. Multiply it with 14 to get the total cost of the cloth required to make the tent. 7,920 rupees. That's all. Seventh question, curved surface area and of the cone is given, area of base is given. First I will use the second data. Area of base 254 4 by 7 centimeter square. Students, two values are given. One is curved surface area, one is area of base. Two values are given. First I took area of base. For the cone, base is a circle shape. For any cone, if it is a cone means base will be a circle shape. That I already explained when I introduced the cone. The base of the cone is a circle. That statement also we have written. So area of base means base is in the shape of a circle. So area of circle formula pi r square. Area of circle. Area of circle. This is not related to the cone. So base is a circle. Base is a circle. Area of base means area of circle. Area of circle formula pi r square. You convert it into improper fraction 254 into 7. See here students, 254 into 7. Plus 4. This into this plus 4. That is the way of converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 5 the 35 plus 2, 37, 3, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17. 1782 by 7. This mixed fraction changed into improper fraction because we can't do any simplification with the mixed fraction. Now, pi is 22 by 7 into r square, which is equal to 1782 by 7. Students, r square is equal to 1782 by 7. This 7 will go up, 22 will go down. Area of base, this is not cone formula. Base is a circle. For any cone, base is a circle. If you see the cone ice cream from one, if you see the monkey cap also, the base will be in the shape of a circle. So circle area pi r square. 7 7 cancel. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11. Students, simplify it. 11 1s are 11. 68. 11 6s are 66. 11 2s are. Root of 81 can be written as 9 square. Square root cancel 9 centimeters. We got R. The question is find its volume. First we got R value. Students, see how I got R. Next. Another value is given. Curved surface area is given. Curved surface area is also given in the problem, that is 1159 5 by 7. Curved surface area of the cone formula pi RL. Curved surface area of the cone formula pi RL. So this also you convert it into mixed fraction. I changed the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So curved surface area of the cone formula pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7 into R, just now we got 9 into L. So L is equal to 8118 by 7 into 7 will go up, 22 and 9 will go down. So we will get L value. Do it, students. Find L value. Seven cancel. 9 9 9s are 81, 0, 9 2s are 18. So 11 2s are 11 8s are 88, 11 2s are 22. 241 times. Write down. So the question is, find the volume of this cone. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So to find the volume, we require h also. How to find L? See the formula, I gave this formula. In the previous problem also we applied. L is equal to, I gave this formula, root of r square plus h square. Nothing but squaring both sides. L square is equal to r square plus h square. This formula I gave. This is the formula I gave. So same, if you squaring on both sides, the L square, this root cancel, r square plus h square. L is 41 square, r is 9 square plus h square. So from this we have to find h value. Write down, students. So area of base formula pi r square, pi is 22 by 7, we got r square is equal to 81, r is equal to root of 81. Root 81 is, 81 can be written as 9 square, square root cancel 9. We got r, we require h. So to find h, curved surface area is given in the problem, the formula is pi rl. We got L value, but we don't want L, we require h. So using L and r, we can find h. The formula relationship is L square is equal to r square plus h square. L is 41, r is 9, h square. So write down 41 square. Nine square this side minus 9 square is equal to h square. Root of 1600, root 1600 is 40. Right. Lengthy problem. First we find R, next we got L, but we don't want L, we require H. For that, this is the formula. L value 41, R value 9, 41 square is 1681, 9 square is 81, this side minus 81, H square is equal to 1681 minus 81 is 1600. So H is equal to root 1600, which is 40. Now the question is volume. The formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7, r is 9 into h is 40. Students, you simplify this, that is your answer. Do the simplification. Nine square is 9 into 9. 3 3s are 40 into 3, 120. 120 into 9. 1080 into 22. You do it, students. Multiply 40 with 3, then with 9, then with 22. That's all, by 7. But again the answer should be, this is the answer actually, but answer is given in the mixed fraction. It is given in the mixed fraction. You can leave here. This is what unit? Centimeters. That's all, centimeter square. This is the answer, but answer is given in the mixed fraction. So 7 3s are 21. Or we can write like this, as per the textbook answer. Students, some difficult problems, so you just practice a lot of difficult problems. But simplification is difficult. Actually, the procedure formulas are very simple. We have only 3 formulas, no confusion. Curved surface area pi rl, total surface area pi r into r plus l, and volume formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. And relation between L and R is L is equal to root of R square plus square, or L square is equal to R square plus square. Both are same. So these 4 formulas only, but simplification is lengthy. Lot of simplification is there. So practice these problems.